Previously.
I know, I don't got a birth on. Oh, I know.
Morning everyone, it's day 3 on board Norwegian Encore. We have cold day again. If you're doing Pacific cruise, make sure to pack lots of thick clothes. Today, there's nothing much going on. It's a at sea day. I'm super tired. I don't know if it's from the time zone change or if maybe it's the rocking of the boat. But I'll just hit maybe go to the gym a little bit and maybe do some puzzle. So we'll see. We started our day with breakfast at the Garden Cafe buffet. This time we got a table at the bow overlooking the observation lounge. So this is chocolate French toast and I added dollop of whipped cream.
Real whipped cream?
Yeah. It doesn't taste like chocolate. It tastes more like cinnamon. As we were enjoying breakfast, the lovely ladies were going around with snack and coffee as the day before.
Give you coffee to wake you up. I give you coffee to wake you up. I give you coffee, baby. Makes you happy, makes you feel hot and sexy.
What is it?
Donut with cinnamon sugar. Deep fried. Super fluffy and light. After the breakfast, I had to check in at the guest service because we decided to disembark tomorrow when the ship arrives at Vancouver. Guest service area was very crowded and they've been giving me inconsistent information about border customers. I should have known this was foreseen of what's to come. Now that the errand's done, it was time to have fun. First thing you do when you check in at the speedway is to weigh yourself.
Good. Not 300 pounds? Not yet?
If you watch my previous video, you know that there's 265-pound weight limit. It was pretty well organized. As the previous group was getting ready on go-karts, our group watched safety videos, so there was nice flow. In addition to height and weight limits, your long hair must be tied and you have to wear flat closed-toe shoes. Once you get on the go-kart, the operator will adjust the seat and put on a helmet for you. Then you're all set to go. I was a little cautious at the beginning, not knowing speed was controlled by operators remotely. You don't even need to slow down for cornering. I actually wished I could go faster. The race is $15 per person, and I don't remember the exact number, but I think it was about 5 laps around the track. They only open certain hours a day, and you race in a group of 8 people, so make sure to make a reservation. It was really fun going up and down between 2 floors and going around all the corners with great view. Personally, it was totally worth $15. After a little break, I hit the gym. I was so proud of myself for exercising every day on a cruise for the first time. Realistically, my goal was not to gain any extra weight from the cruise. Now that I gained some appetite, it was time for dinner already. So we're at the Taste today for dinner. We wanted to go to Manhattan, but then it would have been 45-minute wait, and Sabre had a waiting list as well. So don't forget to make dinner reservation every day if you're on Norwegian cruise. Throughout the cruise, the complimentary food menu has been disappointing. I'm sure they've changed menu because it was short ship cruise, but still we've noticed downgrade post-pandemic. I miss the times when we had unlimited premium food like scallops, ribeye steak, duck, or lobster without extra charge. Okay, I got the chicken and shrimp bang bang. Oh, it's really good. It's peanut butter curry sauce. Very nutty. Who doesn't like peanut butter, right? And the chicken and shrimp has really nice crisp batter. The steak looks decent. Right from the main dining room, we headed up to Garden Cafe hoping for more variety food.
Now look at this. This is what I've been waiting for this trip. This is barbecue short rib in the buffet. They don't have it on the menu in the main restaurant, but they have it here. That looks really good. Saucy, tender looking, fatty. I suppose I should try it first though. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh.
It looks very juicy.
It is. It almost...
Tender.
Well, not so much barbecue. It tastes braised, but in a very good way. So soft.
Saucy.
Oh, definitely the best thing I've had so far on this ship.
Yeah. It was so nice that they've been playing lots of the 80s and 90s music. You know you're getting old when cruise ships starting to play music you grew up with. Now it was cruise director's turn to show off his singing skill. Since we were already there watching the live music, we got our favorite late night snack from the local bar. So they look about the same. It's Thursday, May the 4th, the 4th day on board Norwegian Encore. So we're passing by beautiful Vancouver Island. It's supposed to arrive in Vancouver in the afternoon. And then it's gonna stay overnight. So while staying overnight in Vancouver, you have option of disembarking either today or tomorrow. So we're gonna be leaving today, and my sister's in Vancouver, so I'm gonna spend some time with my sister, catch up. Then we're gonna go see our fur babies. So when you pass by these beautiful passages, I guess especially for Alaska cruise, think about where you want your cabin to be. So we are on, what is this? Port side. So we didn't see much of the land while we are passing the California, but now that we're going through the Vancouver Island passage, now we have a beautiful view. That's the pilot ship. The pilot just came on board and we're passing by Victoria. There's a Victoria and the Princess Royal is docked there. We continued to have great view while we were enjoying breakfast at Garden Cafe. This time I got made to order omelette and my favorite make your own yogurt. Now that we were back to Canada, I got my cell phone data. Oh, I don't want to check it.
Wow, look at that go.
We still had few hours before docking at Vancouver, so I decided to get my exercise over with. I was working out at the gym, but the indoor was getting too hot for me. They turn on the heater because outside is quite cold. It's like 11-12 degrees. So I'm outside walking. It's perfect weather for Torontonian. It's nice cool weather to exercise. Besides, there are more interesting things to see from the deck. After this failed attempt, I was waiting to take better video of Ocean Loop and this happened. As I was finishing workout, we were approaching Vancouver City and Jay joined me on the deck. Oh, I see Canada plates. After an hour of delay, finally we docked at Canada Place Cruise Terminal. People who wished to disembark were asked to gather at Q Texas Smokehouse for border custom. We were smart enough to get there 15 minutes after the ship was docked, but some people had been there for more than an hour already. Even so, there are a lot of commotions and mixed information from the cruise. 30 minutes later, we found out the custom clearance was done already when we handed in the declaration form a few days ago. It took us another 30 minutes in line to disembark the ship. The whole process was super disorganized and nobody knew what was going on, as if it was their first time coming to Vancouver. Nevertheless, we had good time on the cruise and it was a nice change from the usual Caribbean cruises. If you don't mind crowd and are looking for full activities and specialty restaurants to experience, this one will be for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to continue to follow my trip in Vancouver, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification button. See you next time!